So in the previous video, we have learned the concept of distance and displacement. So let's have a look at their definitions. First, let's talk about distance. When a body moves from one point to another, the length of the path taken is the distance. So like in the previous example, the three boys took three different paths. So that's why we had three different distances. So whatever path you take, the length of that path is the distance. Next, distance has only magnitude and no direction. So for example, I say the distance between your house and your school is 5 kilometers. I'm not mentioning any direction. So this over here is the concept of distance. Next, what is displacement? When a body moves from one point to another, the shortest straight line path between initial point and final point is the displacement. So the key over here, guys, is the word shortest. So whenever we're calculating displacement, we'll basically identify the initial point and the final point, join them by a straight line. Whatever is the length of the straight line, that is a displacement. Now, what is the direction of displacement? It is along the straight line joining initial and final point. Therefore, we say displacement has both magnitude and direction. So these over here are the definitions of distance and displacement. So I hope the concept is clear. Now in the upcoming videos, I'm going to take several examples of distance and displacement questions. So it'll become crystal clear how to calculate distance and how to calculate displacement.